video. In this question, we are given two strings. One is txt, another is pat. We have to check if this pat is available in this txt string, and if it is available, we have to return the starting indexes of all such occurrences, and we have to count a one based index. Okay. So, for example, one you can see the txt is geeks for geeks and pat is geek. So this geek is available here also. And since we are uh, you know taking one base index, this first index will not be 0 but 1. Similarly, it is again present over here. Okay. And this time it will not be 8 but 9, since we are taking one base index. Okay. It is given in the equation. Use one base induction. Now we have to return just all the occurrences. It started at 1, again at 9. So we have to return 1 and 9. Similarly, in example 2, you can see the txt is abesdu. Okay, but the pattern is edu. Now, it can be subsequence, but not exactly string. But in this question, we have to match exactly string and not the subsequence. Hence, edu is not directly present. Okay, if it were LCS question, it was, but in this time, since we have to match exactly string, it is not available. In that case, you'll return empty string and the driver code will convert it into -1. Is given over there. So I will be using brute force method along with sliding window for this question. First, I will create a result list which shows all such occurrences, and I will store the length of pattern, not the text pattern. Okay. Now I will loop through it where length of txt minus n. But hold on, what it does, length of txt minus n will return the length of pattern such that it does not go beyond the length of txt. But we need to add +1 because in Python loops are up to but not including. So this will ensure that length of txt minus n plus 1 will give us the length of pattern without letting it go beyond the length of txt. Okay. Now again we will use our small sliding window approach. Now if txt which starts from I goes till I plus n, or txt which starts with I goes till I plus n, whether it is equal to pat. If it is, then append I plus 1, since we are using one base indexing. Okay. Again to reiterate, if txt which starts from I and goes up to I plus n, okay, is it same as pattern? If it is, then update the result list with I plus 1. And at the end, when all such occurrences are found, we will just return the list. If there were no occurrences, result will be empty and driver code will convert it into -1. So here we are able to do our job. It is able to find 1 and 9, all such occurrences. And let me submit it. So yeah, it does the job. It does the job. So it will take some time since it is in order of an approach and a brute force method. But using sliding window, we have reduced the complexity a little bit. So I hope you understood it. Thank you. Have a nice day.